Every woman who comes to OPD who is suffering from breast cancer or otherwise, a woman who is curious about breast cancer or her breast wants to know what they can do to avoid getting breast cancer. Well, girls, we cannot do anything to avoid getting breast cancer, but there is something that we can do at our home, at the privacy of our home, and which is a very simple thing which does not require any extra added test or any skill. It requires 2 minutes of our time, which is known as self-breast examination. So if we check our breast regularly, if we examine our breast regularly, once in a month that is, we know what is normal and what is abnormal. Once we know the normal feel of our breast, we will know when it is feeling abnormal or when there is a change in our breast. So every woman should check their breast every month. Ideally, it should be done 1 week after your periods get over. A woman who has attained menopause, whose periods have stopped permanently, they can do it any day of the month. Change in the breast. Suppose we do it for 2 months and we see fine, it's feeling fine, everything is okay. 3rd month, if we see something is off, this was not there before. So that is a sign. You need to pick it and you need to visit your doctor. So when do we visit our doctor? When we feel there is any hardness in the breast which was not there before. When we see there is any difference in shape or size of the breast as compared to the opposite breast. If we feel any hardness in the underarms area, we see our nipples are going inside. Usually the nipple is pouting outside. If it is pulled inside, then you need to visit a doctor. If there is any nipple discharge, then you need to visit a doctor. If there is any redness or soreness or a dimpling on the skin of your breast, you need to visit a doctor. So this is all very important. We need to understand, until unless we don't check ourselves, we don't take out time to do this, we will never know. Because when it becomes evident, when we can see the change, not feel, when we can see the change, it means it's already crossed the first stage or the early stage which we all talk about. So it is very, very important to feel our breast, to know what feels normal and what feels abnormal. So this is something very important, very simple, and every girl should do it every month.